8000 F. A fault light blinks rapidly and won't start.
Who makes your tool or machine? How old is it?
Generac 800 EFI purchase May 2019.
How long has this been going on with your Generac? What have you tried so far?
Generac 8000 Generac 8000. In Bahamas hasn't run since Jan 2020. Clean fuel charge batt.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, welcome to Just Answer. My name is I would like to assist you with this. Is the genset not even cranking, or is it cranking but not starting, or is it actually starting but shutting down? What are the model number and serial number of the genset?
Generac 8000 EFI. Bought in May 2019. Lost papers in Hurricane Dorian. It will start right away, but then stop immediately and the red fault light is blinking fast. I put clean fuel in, could not haul the old fuel out, but it had stabilizer in it. The idle just screw will work, but the spring part is frozen.
8000 EFI is not a model number. I need to know the actual model number and serial number. I also need to know how many times the light is blinking. There are very specific codes for the number of flashes of the light. Did you get the information yet?
We'll get more info today. Model G007162 serial, hash after the 4 seconds fault light goes off, there is a pause, followed by 1 slow light then 9 rapid flashing lights. We stopped counting at 21 sets.
Okay. 1 long blink and 9 short blinks is a code 19, which is ECU Reset. The first thing you need to do is to have the battery tested. A weak battery will set this code. You cannot rely on a voltmeter to test a battery, they must be load tested. If the battery is not the problem, check the cables to make sure they are securely attached at both ends, and that the connections are clean and corrosion-free. If the problem turns out to not be the battery, let me know.
I will. I'm using a solar charger until I can round up some electricity here on the island. My wife is going to fly at the end of the month. Where can she get a replacement if needed?
You need to have the battery tested. Using a charger will not test a battery. The battery is the most common cause of your issue, but there are other things it can be. But you need to rule out the battery first.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.